Okay, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to have two network adapters running at the same time on your Debian machine. It is a bit of a problem to have two running, so we have to do it through the command prompt. So first thing we need to do is, I'm using VMware, I'm going to need to add a new card. So into the settings, network adapter, add another network adapter. Then I'm going to want to do is add in some LAN segments. So I've already got, you just click add and you add new ones in. I've already got these made, so I'm going to click, that's going to be the private segment, and click OK. Remember to click OK, and then my next one's going to be the public segment. So we'll have two network cards now. If my card's called ENS33 and ENS37. Yours may be different, so you need to check this. But what you'll see is we can't get them both running. So that one's disconnected. If I connect it, you see that one's disconnected. If I try to, you basically can't get them both up and running at the same time. So if I connect that one, or if I connect that one, you'll see that they swap around. So I got two IP addresses. Let's check that out first of all. So I'm going to check this one out. This is 192.168.0.20. And I'm going to give this one 10, because we're going to go on to a different lesson after this. I'm going to call this one 10.0.0.2. Apply that. But the only problem is I can't get them both up and running at the same time. So the only way I'm going to achieve this is through the terminal. So if I open the terminal window, I'm going to need to go to the root. So I'm in now as root. So the first thing we can do is type in, I'm going to copy and paste again. So nmcli, network manager, CLI device status, and we'll see we got ENS33 and ENS37 disconnected. So what the first thing I want to do then is hard code in the first card, which is 33. So I'm going to put this command in, and I will give you these commands. They'll be on the bottom of the YouTube description, and there'll be class notes. So we've got Ethernet ENS33, if I make this a bit bigger for you. IP address is 192.168.0.2, subnet 24. Gateway 192.168.0.1, and I'm going to change the DNS to 192.168.0.1. Okay, then I can enter that, and it's successfully added that one. And then I also want to add in the IP for the other card as well. So that'll be sudo nmcli connection add type Ethernet. So it's all the same. Connection name is ENS37, and this one is 10.0.0.2. So if I hit enter there, you'll see it's successfully added. Then if I go if I go back and I type in nmcli device status, I add sudo in there, and add 2 C's. So it's now got ENS33 Ethernet connected and ENS37 Ethernet connected. So if I now go, I'll leave that open. If I now go here and I look, I've got both of them are up and running, ENS33 and ENS37. So those are the commands you need to get your computer so that it keeps both connections up and running. It's pretty straightforward. Now that it's up and running, you can actually go and change the IP addresses through this as well if you wanted to. But the only way you're going to get it to work properly is through the command line interface. So those are the commands that you need to get the network interface up and running. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to do some remote and routing for the Windows server so that these guys can ping each other and so that they can be on different subnets. I hope you found that one useful.